In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. Now ensure that you watch this video to the very end to avoid any mistake. And if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and open any browser that you have on your phone. Personally, I'm going to use Kiwi browser, but if you have Chrome, Firefox, you can use any. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to open my Kiwi browser. Then on the search, you are going to search for Facebook support team. Support team contact. Then tap on search. Then you are going to see help center there. So you need to tap on it. Then it will land you on this page. It will land you on help center. So you are going to see those three lines beside the search icon. Just tap on them. Then you are going to scroll down. Then you are going to see support inbox. Tap on it. So once you are here, even though you do not have access to your mobile number or your email, just enter any of them that you used to sign up for your Facebook account. So at this moment, I'm going to enter my email. Then on this part of password, you are going to skip. Then tap on forgotten password. Then again, you need to enter either your mobile number or your email. So again, I'm going to re-enter my email here. Then tap on continue. Then since you do not have access to your phone number or your email, the one that you've entered, I do not have access to it. So I'm going to try another way. Then it will land me here. Choose a way to log in. So here you just need to tap on continue. Then it will lead you to this interface. So create a new password. So from here you are going to create a new password. I'm going to do that. Then tap on next. Then you need to enter the code. Then tap on submit. So you are going to log in using the password that you've just created, the new password. So just use the password that you've created and your email address to log in. So that's it, guys. That's how you can simply recover a Facebook account without email and phone number. Now, if you found value from this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.